Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Katie, and today I thought I would share with you kind of like my current go-to makeup look for summer. Quickly want to apologize because my buns are slowly falling. This one is literally slipping behind my head and this one's coming forward. So not sure what's going on with that. And then we had something super exciting happen. I'm standing here trying to get my camera all ready, and all of a sudden behind me, shower curtain comes crashing down. There is no bar up there anymore. It's gone. It's now laying behind me. Have no idea why that happened, but the husband shall fix it. So anyways, let's get into this kind of like weird, crazy, crappy video. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've got my skincare all done, sunscreen on. So the primer I use is the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's honestly so good, and I want you guys to see how good it is. So there we go. Do you see how it just literally smooths everything? I feel like it like blurs. It looks so much better. For foundation, I use a Morphe Beauty Sponge and the Dior Forever. This says 020, but they changed their numbering to, oh, it's like 2.0 or 2.5, something like that. I don't really understand it. So I've got 3 pumps on there and got some on my wrist. I just realized I missed a crucial step and it's sitting right in front of me. So what I like to do is I get the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. Get some of that on a fluffy highlighter brush. If you guys watch Jackie Aina, you'll know why I'm doing this. And I can't believe I almost forgot. I literally had it sitting right in front of me so I wouldn't forget. Okay. I'm really nervous because today I'm gonna film a video. By the time this one goes up, the one that I'm filming that I'm nervous about is already gonna be up. But I just feel so nervous. I feel like sick. I always end up going back in with a tiny bit more. And when I say tiny, I mean actual tiny. And I get this cheek area a second time because this cheek area doesn't have the freckles that this side tends to have. And then go behind the ears on both sides. I'm gonna have to hairspray this again. Oh, this is coming out. I know that we are feeling a certain way towards Anastasia Beverly Hills, but all of these products I already own, and I think that it's really, really wasteful to throw everything out because A, I already paid for it, so they already got my money, but also environmentally to throw everything I own from them away and then start fresh with a whole new brand. So wasteful. Don't do it. I'm going to finish these off and then I won't repurchase. And if they want me and everyone else in the world to repurchase, maybe they'll change their brand ethics. Who knows? Anyways, I guess I could have said what I'm doing. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. My brows are actual garbage and are like the bane of my existence, so yeah. I'm going in with the Benefit 3D Brow Tones. This is really good. It acts as like a highlighter for your brows, and it defines the individual hairs you have in your brows. And this is in the shade, what shade? two. We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette, and I am going to go in with Bare and Moo. Just with the remnants of what's on my brush already, I'm just going to sweep that under my brow. Now that this is on, I'm just gonna go into just Bobbie, and take this over my lid. I love shimmer shades so much, you guys. And unfortunately, I was not blessed with the eyes for shimmer shades because I have really crepey eyes. It has literally zero to do with skincare creams or anything like that. This is all genetic and I hate it. All right, with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna use Chai. You know what my issue is with this palette, and I don't understand, is it's so freaking powdery, and I don't understand why, because the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes tend to be really good. I really like the Renaissance palette and the, God, what's the other one? Definitely not Subculture. It's like Soft Nudes or something like that. I can't remember what it's called, but yeah, I really like it. And this one, I just find to be really, there's a lot of fallout all the time, and I don't know why. And literally, I will do this for the next half hour. I'll just keep blending and blending and blending. And I take it over the lid, all the way towards the inner corner, up on the actual bone here, everywhere. Dust it inside until I'm happy with it. And then we go and do the other side. Taking that same brush that I used and not dipping into anything, I'm just going to go under. And it's depositing a teensy tiny bit of color. You know what really annoys me is that this bun looks pretty smooth and this one looks pretty frizzy. And also this one fell, so it's like slightly lower. Driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. Okay, angled brush and Bobbie Brown gel liner. This is in, not the right one. This one, it's in Espresso Ink. It's like a brown. And I'm going to tightline with this. Any of you that don't have thick, crepey eyelids like me, you probably don't have to do this, but I do. No matter what type of makeup look I'm wearing, it's a must. I do it with gel because it's less likely to transfer because it dries pretty quickly. If I do it with anything else, it usually transfers down, and I don't want that. For me, I just feel like that makes such a difference to my eyes. So I'm using the Sephora Crayon Kohl pencil in Infinite Beige. It's 07. They are currently, actually, sadly enough, out of this. But I did tweak them and they said to stay tuned. So they must be getting ready to bring it back. Okay, I did my entire bottom lash line, but now over it I'm going to layer the same brand. It's the Sephora Crayon Kohl, and this is in deep brown number 6. Hello, Louie. And I'm just going to go over this middle and outer corner area. The reason why I did the white first is for 2 reasons. One, I didn't want the brown to become too dark that's like a black, because that's too harsh for me. I have pale skin and it like becomes too like goth looking. And this is summer. But also when you do the brown first and then layer the white over it, it actually looks better, but your pencil becomes contaminated and you're wiping it to clean it, wasting product, and I don't know when it's going to restock, so I'm not going to waste any product. All right, now we're going to do eyeliner. Again, Kat Von D is a brand we're not using, but I still have the Mad Max brown and I'm not throwing it away, so I'm using that. And then, before I do a wing and ruin it, I'm gonna go do the other side. All right, now I'm gonna ruin it with a wing. This one is always so much better than this one. I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Did I just effing do that? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Are you freaking joking? Are you freaking joking? I can't. This is exactly why I position myself with my elbow on the mirror like this, stabilizing myself. What have I just done? Okay. Honestly, hate myself right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Why? Why did I do the wing? We were doing so well. All right, for mascara, I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash. This is in, I don't know the shade. It's black. I don't know if they named it something else, but this is black. I have downward turned eyes, which is a curse. And so because of that, I don't ever use black mascara on my bottom lashes because it accentuates the downturn. And so what I do, because I do want a little bit of definition, is I very, very lightly go in with a brown mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash in brown, because I want some definition to say like, yes, I do have lashes, but I don't want enough to where you can see that downward slope. And that's actually why it's so hard for me to get like a proper wing, because of that downward slope. All right, we're gonna take the highlighter from the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and I just go up like this. I always put my highlighter on first, and then I use that bronzer in there. Then for the blush, I'm using the Hourglass Luminous Flush. This is like such a pretty blush shade. And I always sweep this up and circular. All right, so we're going in with Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I've got the liner first, and I always overline my lips because I have none. And then going in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. When you're doing your lipstick, it is completely not necessary to like mush as hard as you can to get the lip color out. If you have to do that, it's not a very good lipstick. I see some people online sometimes, and they're like, and it's like pushing, you can see the pressure. Not necessary. And you can do a couple coats, you don't have to get it all in one. But yeah, that's my rant over. So this is my finished look. I really like a sparkly eye, especially in summer, and I just feel like it's like enough of a sparkle but without being too much, and then also it's not like too much for daytime. It's, I feel like, acceptable, except for this wing, that is not. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.